Hi guys! So yes, finally happened. My dreams came true and I am so excited to share with you guys because I am now a Mixed Chicks ambassador and I'm so excited to open this box to see what's inside, and I am going to open it and I'm going to show you guys everything that's in here. Oh my god! No way! This is way more than I expected. Shook. Okay guys, so I had to get up so that I can show you, and I'm not gonna drag this for too long. I'm just gonna take them out and just light them up so you guys can see. I had a little sneak peek and okay, I have a lot of new products to try and I'm so excited. So let's get right into it. As you can see, this is only half the box, okay? I'm gonna be washing my hair every single day just so that every so often I can try a different product. Like, this is insane. Oh my god. And the last package. Oh my god, a Slick Styling Tamer. Really excited for this one. Okay, so this is the Mixed Chicks collection. Let me move this over here. Like I said, I am so excited. Thank you so much, Mixed Chicks, for picking me to be your next ambassador. I am going to be trying every single one of these products and I can't wait. I've seen so many of them online. I've tried a few of them. I love the shampoo. The leave-in conditioner is my all-time favorite product. And yeah, like, this is so exciting. Look at this brush. Look at the detail. It says Mixed Chicks on it. I'm gonna show you guys a picture. This is amazing. I am so excited. I am a Mixed Chicks ambassador. Like I said, it's my dream come true. And oh, these are my baby now. Come here. I wanted to mention just why I accepted the offer of becoming a Mixed Chicks ambassador, and it goes beyond just amazing products. It was also about the women behind the company. Mixed Chicks was co-founded by two incredible mixed women, Kim and Wendy, and I am so excited to represent a brand that's actually run and was created by women that look like me, by women that can relate to me, relate to the struggles I've gone through by growing up in a world where products for hair like mine didn't really exist. I'm just really empowered by women like them, and I think that if you're gonna support someone, support people that actually go out there every day and work to make the world a better place. Okay guys, so please stay tuned because I'm going to be reviewing all of these products and I don't even know where to begin, honestly. There's so many. Just stick along for the ride and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.